Oh, guess what? Somebody else is driving the car away without me in it. I guess you all know what that means. Bye, Echo Boost. I'm actually gonna miss you. Fuck. Alright, well, the Mustang is gone, and I picked up the new Ranger XLT 2020 yesterday. It's gonna be my new mountain bike fishing little 4x4 adventure truck. So yeah, we got the Fox Factory tailgate cover to hold the bikes. The bikes strap in there and will not move around. I'm gonna come up with some way of bolting it to the tailgate. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna come up with a way to bolt it to the tailgate so it makes it way harder to steal. But this is the new Ranger, 2020 Ranger. It's got Apple CarPlay, because I didn't need all the fancy stuff. It's pretty cool. And this is here until the Bronco gets here. I do have a Bronco Black Diamond reserved, and I want to maybe do the Sasquatch package, but I don't know if I want the 35s just yet. And the 12-inch screen with the 2.7 liter turbo and the 10-speed. That's the configuration I want. But this will work wonders until that gets here. The F-150 was just not serving what I needed it to serve, especially considering I drive probably 500 or 600 Ks a week. So I need something a little bit better on gas, but still a truck that I could still put stuff in, carry my bikes around, my fishing gear around, do a little bit of off-roading, and this'll work for that. It's the 2.3 liter turbo, 270 horsepower, 310 foot-pounds of torque. It's pretty decent gas mileage so far, and I was actually surprised at how quick this little thing was. But not really sad to see the Black Mustang go. Kind of sad to see it go, but it just didn't suit me anymore for what I want to do. So this is the replacement for now. Bronco's coming, so stay tuned for that. I'll give updates on the Bronco whenever I have them. And we're gonna go have some fun in the outdoors with this. Maybe do some road trips, go up to Kamloops, Kelowna, ride up there, get some nice scenery pictures. It'll be good stuff. Alright guys, that is the update on what I'm doing with my vehicles. I also bought a limited Ford Fusion, fully loaded. The thing is totally pimp interior. Maybe we'll have a look at that later if you guys want. Maybe we won't. That's 100% up to you guys. Just leave a comment in the comments section. Give it a like. Give it a follow if you like. We'll be doing a bunch of fishing, biking, outdoorsy shit, going up fire roads, trying not to crash this thing. Yeah, being fat to fit, hopefully. So, trying to get outside, have more fun, instead of sitting in the garage, staring at a Mustang, being cranky about not being able to get things I want done to it soon enough because people can't do what they say. So yeah, I'll still be doing a few little side orders here and there, I guess, so I can afford to mod other stuff. So I'll still do the odd set of side splitters and diffusers and stuff like that if you guys are nice. And yeah, if you want something, keep it coming. Message me on Instagram at thesnowman 5.0, or message me here on YouTube and I'll give you my email address. Alright guys, have a good day. Me and the boy are gonna go for a walk and take in this wonderful scenery. Alright, see you later guys.